Hello, welcome to My Life is Mathland channel. Today we will discuss about 22nd integer type questions. Let's enter into the problem.
Given that the parabola equation p y square is equal to 4kx, focus k comma 0, length of latex rectum is equal to 4k, and ellipse y square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So focus ae comma 0, and lr length of latex rectum 2b square by a, 2b square by a. Now it is the ellipse, it is the parabola. So both have a lattice rectum, common lattice rectum. It is a common lattice rectum, and it is axis. So the lattice rectum passing through the focus. So it is the AE comma 0, K comma 0. So AE is equal to K. One relation. Next, length of lattice rectum. This length is 4K for parabola for this one. So both are equal. So 4K, K means AE. 4AE is equal to 2B square by A. So 4A square E is equal to B square is equal to A square into 1 minus E square. So A square into 1 minus E square. A square cancel 2. There is equal to 2E is equal to 1 minus E square. So E square plus 2E is equal to 1. Both sides add 1. E square plus 2E plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1, 2. So it is E plus 1 whole square is equal to 2. E plus 1 is equal to root 2. E is equal to root 2 minus 1. E is equal to root 2 minus 1. But we need E square. E square is equal to root 2 minus 1 whole square. 3 minus 2 root 2. A minus B whole square formula you can use. You will get this one. So E square plus 2 root 2 is equal to 3. So E square plus 2 root 2 is equal to 3. So the answer is 3.